Welcome to this video, my friends, Learning Machines. This is the page, the sales page for the Done For You service. So this right here, this lady right here is the person who does it for you. And so basically what happens is they will literally build you a high converting funnel. Little disclaimer here, it's not as good as my Done For You service, but this is still good enough. I'm willing to recommend it and explain to you what's up here. And stick with me till the end. I'm going to explain how you're going to get bonuses if you do this. Crazy bonuses I'm going to add in if you do this. Okay, so this is the Done For You service. Wesley Virgin, super smart dude, one of the top dudes I recommend, okay, in this online industry teaching. And super smart. I recommend all of his products, and I recommend go subscribe to him and watch all of his videos. They're really, really powerful. Okay, so basically what you're going to get is literally right here. As you can see, you're going to get your own funnel. Just kidding. You're going to get your own website. You're going to get your own domain. Just kidding. You're going to get your own subdomain. You're going to get your first Facebook ad. Just kidding. You're going to get a YouTube ad. Just kidding. You're going to get a Facebook ad done for you. And your first commission checks is their goal there. And they're going to toss all the techie stuff to the curb. I mean it. They are. And you're going to earn your first $1,000. And I sound like I'm being goofy here, but this is the truth. This is what they're going to do. Mine is way more in depth. I build an actual like high converting funnel for you. I work with you. And if you choose to do the package of run traffic, I run traffic with you. If you choose both, then I build the funnel and run traffic with you. Really powerful. Really powerful. Okay. As we all know, if we don't know, affiliate marketing is one of the most powerful ways to make money online, if not the only method. And there's drop shipping, that's physical products. Then there's affiliate marketing, it's basically everything behind the scenes. So affiliate marketing is the crux of it all. If you want results in it and you haven't yet, it's best to do a done for you service. If you have the knowledge and haven't had success, you should do a done for you service. If you don't have the knowledge, you should do a course and learn the ropes, okay, and then try to take action on yourself. And you should be able to get results from a course on your own, just taking action. If you don't, then you're a type of person who needs one-on-one support or to see examples and have it done for you and see all the nitty-gritty things. Okay, very important. And if you're someone who, this is a rare type, okay, someone who has money and just wants it done for them and learn from a mentor, that's where mentorships come in. It's more rare and it has a higher barrier to entry. Anyway, this is a done for you service right here, and highly recommend it. If you want to get it, I'm going to throw in one of my courses. Guess which course it is? I'm going to throw in my sweepstake course, okay? I have no other thing I'm affiliated with that I give the sweepstake course for free, okay? So if you get this, you get the sweepstake course for free, which is a very powerful course. Also, along all my courses, sweepstake course is very powerful because I go in depth into relevant things towards this. And here's the thing about sweepstakes, they convert like crazy. And so when you learn how to actually promote sweepstakes, you can literally promote tons. Okay, I'm talking thousands of people to sweepstake offers. All they have to do is give their email, and then just a couple other things like their age and their location, okay, and like their name. And that's it. With all these sweepstake offers, they convert like wildfire, bro. It's crazy. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to throw that in as a free bonus. All you have to do is just prove that you got this through my link down below. This is the, once again, done for you service. And if you get it through my link down below, you need to go through the webinar. You're going to also get benefits from the webinar. And then you sign up and you do it, okay, and you pay for it. Then I'm going to give you the sweepstake course for free. For free. Just email me at benjaminfairborn@hotmail.com and I will give you the bonuses. Okay. The bonus. The huge, look at my eyes, huge bonuses. So I'll see you guys later. Peace out.